I have a surprise for you.
Okay.
You need to put this blindfold on.
Okay.
Don't open yet.
Okay.
I have a question for you. Have you looked in my closet today?
No. I
Okay.
just think that's a stuffy or something.
Okay. I'm not gonna put it in your hands. I'm gonna set it in front of you.
Okay.
Now take off your blindfold.
Awesome! And cool! It's a castle? I never knew there was such thing as a castle.
It's a new one.
Cool! Awesome! Look it has a little pyramid-like roof and little shield thingies. Oh, that's so cool!
Wanna build it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, go get your tools.
Okay, let's open this up, guys. Okay, I'm so excited. This is a new one, guys. We haven't had a new one like forever. Whoa, little castle pieces! Like a real castle. Cool! There's never been such thing as this kind of stickers. I mean, just look. That's gonna be pretty big. Okay, let's start building. These are the instructions to the castle. And the first step is get these two square pieces. And we have to put the little nails in them. Ah, there you are, cute little bag of nails. We're gonna organize these real quick because it's very hard to know which one is which. Hey, this looks like E, like my name. We're gonna put the nails right here so we don't lose them through the little table crack. This is gonna seem very fast to you guys. We're gonna do a time lapse real quick. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. So this is now a little work in progress, which is the second step. We're gonna keep time lapsing. This required 8 screws total. Just this one piece, and this required, I think, also 8. Let's actually count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 8. It's
Okay.
coming together, because look. So we're gonna stop the time lapse now because we're almost done, and it's really fun for you guys to see the last part before we're finally done. And now this is dangerous because they're poking out. So we're gonna put this right here and see that these are all kind of poking out. Well, that's when the hammer comes in. Smash it, boy! Okay, one part of it done. Just this little one to go. The bottom ones go right there. Smash it again, boy! Okay, perfect. We still have some extra nails. That's crazy. When this requires 10, this one requires 8, this one requires 8. Crazy! I think they include extra nails because they want you to buy more Build and Grows so you can keep building more. Or maybe if you break a nail or mess up a nail. Hammer again, boy! Okay, this is solid now. This is solid now. And this is solid now. Well, this is the only loose piece, but yeah. all of it is done. Now let's do the fun part, stickers. So these are the stickers for the pyramid thing that goes right here. So let's get this sticker piece. That's sadly a little bent, but that's okay. Perfect for one. That's just my little puggy Nez, and she's a very little wild one. And this is also my little assistant. His name is Tintin. Say hi, Tintin, to the fam. He just said hi to you guys. Okay, one more pyramid sticker. Okay, the pyramid is done with its stickers. And also, there's never been such thing as a build and grow that are like bounceable, and you're able to move them around, so that's pretty cool. And also, there are never stickers that cover the entire thing. I do not know how many build and grows I've done, but I've definitely done a lot. This is a Lawn E, so we have to put this here. Perfect. Now another. Perfect for number 2. Now let's do the big, big, big sticker. Perfect. Now let's do this next one. Hey, this one's for the little window. I think I kind of want it to be upside down because the other one I accidentally did down and it should actually be up here. So I want it to be even. Now the last one, which is the most fun, the door. I accidentally ripped it, but that's okay. I think it's okay. Oh, maybe it's a little crack in the rocks. Okay, so now all of the stickers are done, except the grand finale sticker as a job well done. So we put this here. I wonder where this should go. What do you guys think? Right here or right here? Okay, we're gonna put it right here under the awesome pyramid. And we're done! Yay!
Good job, Ellie.
Thanks. So now my little buddy Tintin, which is my assistant, is actually gonna try and save the castle as a guard because the evil durian is gonna destroy it. I will destroy it. No! No, don't destroy my castle. I'm going to destroy it. I hope you guys had a fun time. Bye. It's my little hat!